Anayanation Ram fam, what's up? Today's video is going to be actually the fog light replacement upgrade that I ordered. So we'll check out the lights that I ordered from Amazon and then do a compare before and after from the headlights that were, the fog lights that were on the truck when I purchased it to now to see if there's any difference. So let's take a look at the lights and I'll give you the details on them as well. If you guys are new to the channel, be sure to go ahead and like, thumbs up, set the notification bell at the top, and also leave any comments down below as far as what you guys done to your vehicle, car, truck, anything of that nature. I do not hate. This is a channel basically just of ideas and just support. So that's pretty much it is. I don't bash on other people. If people bash on me, hey, so be it. But that's not my intent. This is not what this channel is going to be about. So if you're into that type of stuff, please sure to subscribe. Thanks. So these are it, you guys. These are about $25 on Amazon or 26 bucks. I'll leave a link down below. They're from C6S. LED headlight for the fog lights, 30 watt, 3200 lumen. And the color on these bad boys are the white 6500K versus the yellow 3000K. So we're going to check it out, do a before and after, which I'm excited to see if it's any difference. Now, if you guys don't know where how to replace the fog lights on the 4th gen Rams, I'll also go ahead and show you where that location is as well. So if you guys take a look at that gray clip right there, you guys unclip this and then basically twist up, pull out, replace, put back in, and there's 3 tips, so make sure you line it up perfectly, and then go ahead, pull back, twist down, put the clip back in, and that's pretty much it. If you guys don't know where it's at in the truck, it's right under the rear well here, the wheel well. So this plastic right here tucks in, so it just goes behind this right here. So all you do is pull it out, give yourself some working room. I turned the wheel so that way I have a little bit more working room, and then I'll just go ahead and take care of that right there. So we'll look at the finished product and do the same thing for the other side. So turn the wheel the other way for the other side, and pretty much a plug and play install. So let's go ahead and take a look at the finished product, okay, you guys? Alright, what's up, y'all? So I'm pretty excited. I got bulb 1 in. I'll show you what it looks like, compare and contrast that way. The sun's going down, but you can tell the difference, and I'm pretty excited to show you guys. So let's take a look. So you can see the light right here. Have it nice and vertical like that, so that the way you get the most brightness there. But let's go ahead and compare. The other stock one is on the other side, which is the left side of the vehicle, driver's side. Let's take a look. So excuse the mess, but right here we have the stock bulb. So I like to keep them just in case. So I'm gonna put it in the packaging. So this is the packaging that they came with. You got your manual, whatnot. So these are the new ones here. So let's go ahead and take a look at what I've done thus far. So there's the driver's side. It's kind of like a yellowish tint light to it, so it's a yellow light. Let's go and take a look at the passenger side. So this is the passenger side light, so you can probably tell the difference. And I'm at the same angle, like a 45-degree angle, much brighter. So I can't wait to do a night review tonight to show you the difference against the garage there itself. But definitely worth it so far. It's not a 26 bucks, but I haven't driven it with it yet and haven't had it for a couple months. So the longevity of it, that's another review to come. This portion here is the before with the standard fog lights here on the truck. So once again, this is the before, the replacement. This is the after with the new fog lights on the truck. Let me know what you guys think as far as before and after. So these are the after with the new fog lights. I think they're brighter, most certainly. So leave the comments down below, please. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel.